What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2006 Suzuki Boulevard C90T. This bike's awesome, it's got white walls, big old Cobra pipes. This bike's in great shape guys, I'm a big fan of these bikes. They're so big and they're so much fun to ride. Got a scratch there right underneath the seat. Bags have some scratches on them, not a big deal. Still in really good shape. Tank has a slight scratch right there. You can see that. This is all in really good shape though, guys. Front fender's in great shape. Scratch right there. Got good tread on the tires, guys. All of this is in really good shape. Does have some, like, you can see a little bit of pitting right there. Not a big deal. Another thing you can kind of see is like the key. This is super common. Key scrapes against that. Not a really big deal. I don't know who's looking at your freaking side of your bike there. Let's see how many miles are on this beast. 11,000. Can you see it? 11,000. Right around 11,000. Guys, like I said, 2006 Suzuki Boulevard C90T. Guys, this bike's in awesome shape. It's not gonna last long. Thanks, Tom, for watching, guys.